festive season and the house is looking a little bit tired, so I need to do a quick clean of the whole house today. I've got a load of laundry to get done. It's a beautiful day here. In fact, we're having a beautiful winter here. It's like 20 degrees and sunny, so I've got lots of laundry to get outside. I'm also doing a workout later on today, so that'll be included in today's video. And I'm making homemade sushi, which is actually much easier than you think it is. So stick around, grab your to-do list, and let's get some cleaning.
Hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
What have you got planned for today, lovelies?
Snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Play it with me under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly.
Where do you live and how do you dry your laundry? I only do laundry on dry days. We dry everything outside. Please leave your answer in the comments section. I'm interested to know how you live and get your cleaning done.
Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
I got some late night vegan Ben & Jerry's chocolate fudge brownie ice cream stained here. This fairy stain remover is pretty good, so in a couple of hours it should come out.
Oh, yeah.
Aren't dishwashers great to hide dirty pots and dishes, especially this time of year?
Outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before. As we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas.
Juicing oranges are perfectly ripe at this time of year in Cyprus. We love enjoying freshly squeezed juice at this time of year. What's your special Christmas or holiday time drink?
Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday.
I love year changeover. It's a time to reflect, be thankful for everything we have, and be grateful for the life we've created for ourselves. I also love to make plans and goals for the coming year. What are your goals? What do you want to do differently next year? Add your goals to the comment section below.
This year I'll think about how I'm.
And if you haven't already, hit subscribe to join my community and support each other this coming year.
We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together.
ice cream stain has gone. Fantastic.
My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down.
These pups were fantastic models for their photo shoot. They just get better and better every time. They're little stars.
My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're
It's going to be time to take the Christmas decorations down soon.
hugging and
I love Christmas decor. It's so pretty. I think I'll leave some lights up and quickly decorate for Valentine's.
love.
Actually, Valentine's time this coming year is a very special time for us. It marks 15 years from when me and my husband first began courting.
Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho.
Hi lovelies! Today's workout is all about booty really, and also abs. It's a fantastic workout for your core. If you have a booty band, grab it, use it by all means. I won't record too many reps, so you can watch it easily, and let's get going. You ready, Phoebe? Let's go.
My heart is beating to your drum.
For a glute bridge, lift your hips to the sky, squeezing your glutes, and return to place your back flat against your mat.
Although I know you're all I want.
Repeat as many times as is comfortable.
My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear. But I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth.
For this move, in your glute bridge, pulse in and out as many times as you feel like. I tend to do between 1 to 5.
Be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you. Try to stop the fire under your skin.
These moves are great to build your booty and also fantastic for your core.
You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Try to stop the fire under your spell. Can't help myself.
With your back flat on your mat and your tummy tight, make a cycling motion with your legs. This is a little tough.
Try to stop the fire under your spell. And suddenly I'm by your side. 'Cause I'm out of things to explain how I
enjoy penguin taps. With your core tight, lift your upper back and tap each heel by moving from side to side. The further your feet from your bum, the tougher the challenge. Excellent work. Do this routine in full 2 more times. I decided to put in the booty band, just so you can see what it's like. If you have one, grab one and try it out. I love using a booty band.
Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself.
Spin me around and around, turn me upside down.
Hi lovelies! Tonight we're making homemade sushi. It's actually much simpler than it looks. So I've got all my ingredients laid out. Let's get going.
Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been lost and found. I've been on the ground. I've been hiding out while shouting out. You would open up. Oh, spin me around.
We love vegan plant-based sushi, but you could easily cook up some chicken instead of the tofu and use this in the same recipe.
Spin me again and again till I'm upside down. Calling again and again my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been in the cold.
Tip: get a bowl of water and keep dipping your hands in to make sure your hands don't get too sticky of rice.
I've been crying out, been lying about everything but now. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and
As you can see, making sushi is incredibly simple, but does take a little bit of time.
down. Turn me upside down. Oh, turn me,
Obviously the pros do a much better job, but this does for home.
turn me upside down. Oh, I've been lost and found. I've been on the ground.
When you roll, you want to get this bit tight, so roll carefully and slowly so your sushi doesn't fall apart.
Been up. Oh, spin me around and around.
Well done! You now have seriously tasty sushi. Display beautifully, pair with what you like: spicy mayo, wasabi, pickled ginger. Our favourite is the wasabi.
Calling again and again my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming.
I hope today's video has motivated you or inspired you to clean, work out, or make a nutritious meal. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Bye lovelies!